Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here still continuing our quest to check, okay, comparing the results of a medical grade Omron, okay, blood pressure and pulse monitoring with our smartwatches. Okay, so what we have here is the Kospet Magic 4. Okay, so we're going to check this wearable, check the blood pressure monitor and the heart rate, whether the results is close to the Omron medical grade device. Okay, so we already attach it on our wrist. We have it here. So let's check. Okay, let's start and see whether the result of this medical grade device is close to the Kospet Magic 4. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so it is now checking. Let's see the actual results. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're getting closer. Let's wait. And we have the results. So we have 109/77, and we have 75 beats per minute. So we have this one, the smartwatch. Okay, so it has a feature for blood pressure monitoring as well as the heart rate. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's wear it. So let's adjust. Okay, so we have the Kospet Magic 4. Again, the result is 109/77, and we have 75 beats per minute. Let's go for the blood pressure first. Okay, so it's now checking. Okay, let's see. Okay, 114/71. So we have here 109/77. Okay, let's do it again. Let's see. So not that far, but we have at least several points. Okay, increase. So let's see. Okay, 117/73. Okay, so not that very far, but not too close either. Okay, let's check for the heart rate. Okay, we're going to check again our blood pressure later on with the Omron. Let's verify it again for a second time. So we have 67 beats per minute, and we have, let's see, 75. Okay, averaging for 68. Okay, not that far also. Okay, so let's have another check. Okay, simultaneous checking of the blood pressure. Okay, let me adjust this. Okay, let's change the position so we can check it properly. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Let's go for the heart rate here. Where's the heart rate? Okay, and we have the Omron. Okay, so let's check. Okay, it's now checking. Okay, we have 116/72. And in our medical grade device, we have, let's see, again remember, 116/72, and we have 120/79 with 76 beats per minute. Okay, so the results is not that far. Very good results here for the Kospet Magic 4. Okay, we have 81. Okay, so plus and minus 5 points. Okay, so that's it for the results of our Omron medical grade and our Kospet Magic 4. So it's up to you whether, okay, to believe the results or not. Okay, anyways, the results is for just reference only and not for basis for diagnosis. Okay, so again, for the Kospet Magic 4, if you try to check your blood pressure without wearing it, it will detect, or it will alert whether you are wearing it or not, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, see, please re-wearing, so it says that you're not wearing the wearable. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.